off the cuff, it's the projects, definitely. There's some really exciting projects here, some massive ones, and also some smaller ones. I've been involved in quite a few, quite lucky about that, in all fairness. From a QA perspective, I like the fact that we can kind of like really get involved. I like the personality of people that they employ. I like the fact of that we've managed to keep that small business mentality of how you can contact to everybody, and I mean everybody, and there's no kind of like chain of people that you have to do to get there. Just boom, get to the person you want, and then they'll come straight back to you again. Love it. I didn't know about Kainos. I was looking for a different position. I contacted a recruiter. The recruiter knew about Kainos, and they said, whatever you do, Ralph, get into Kainos. You're going to absolutely love it. And the experience you'll pick up will just be phenomenal. You'll work on massive projects. You simply cannot touch it. I tell you, Ralph, if you get offered of another position, turn it down. He said, if you can get into Kainos, that's the one. He was right. Wow. Well, here, it's been different. Thriving passion, really, in the sense of that Kainos is very of the mentality of, if you've got a passion for something, let's drive it, because it's better for you, better for us. And with quality assurance, obviously, that really helps. And we've got such a large team in the QA discipline, and so many different inputs from different areas, really, and different expertise that people have brought in. So recently, I've moved into artificial intelligence for QA. I've been doing lots with performance, user accessibility, and having access to all that. It's just it's a bit like being in a toy shop, really. Lucky. That's a good start. I like the fact that you know that the client's kind of like really integrated with you. We never completely kept away, and I like that here. So we really get a flavour of what we're doing and why we're doing it. I specifically like the fact that when we put input in, then it gets taken on board, and you'll see it come back through the system again. So we'll suggest a change, or we'll find a fault. We're here as QA, and we'll report it. Everyone's always really receptive to it, and it's lovely to see the change come back in again quickly. Everything. And we can pretty much end it there. I've worked for massive retail companies before, and smaller companies. It kind of really got nailed, in all fairness. If we have to travel, you're really, really well looked after. I cannot express that enough. If we haven't seen certain members of the team for a long while, obviously because of the remote working, then we'll all get together. We'll do a bit of a social event. That's always good. Just kind of the interaction. There's never any pressure. If you're going to join a new project, there's always time to ramp up for it. There's always people you can reach out to. It's nice to be reached out to yourself. You've got a particular set of experience that you can help with other people, and that's kind of like the whole mentality, really. So yeah, there's just everything's different about Kainos.